Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a rental site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't of course already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have my sites, where you can see all of your website that you have, the setup, home, we have the settings, we have the design site, and of course the dashboard where we currently are at the moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a rental site on Wix. So first of all, what you need to do to create a rental site on Wix, follow these 4 easy steps to know how to do it in no time. Sign up with the right Wix pricing tier. So we have the pricing here, as you can see, getting paid and all payments. So you can go and check out the pricing and of course the plans to upgrade your sites. So you can upgrade to premium and get more, get a free domain to connect your site, remove Wix ads, connect Google Analytics. Choose a Wix template. Of course, when you're creating your website, you need to go and choose a right template. You need to understand the Wix booking flow plugins. So go and check all those on Google. When you understand them, continue with this video. And the last step is to set pricing for your rental videos. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.